As a senior high school student, what are the things you can do in order to resolve environmental issues in the Philippines?
As a senior high school student, I can contribute to resolving environmental issues in the Philippines through several actions. First, I will raise awareness by organizing workshops and campaigns in my school and community. Second, I will practice eco-friendly habits like reducing plastic usage and conserving energy. Lastly, I will participate in local cleanup drives and advocate for strict environmental policies to ensure a greener future for our nation.
Collaboration is key in addressing environmental challenges. As a senior high school student, I can unite with like-minded individuals to form eco-clubs or participate in local environmental organizations. Through tree planting drives, cleanup campaigns, and community recycling efforts, we can directly impact our surrounding by working together. We create a network of change agents committed to safeguarding the Philippines, naturally, beauty for generation to come. My role as a senior high school student empowers me to initiate environmental awareness campaign within my school and local community. By organizing workshops, seminars, and events that highlights issues like deforestation, pollution, and climate change, I can educate others about the urgency of this concern. By fostering a culture of environmental consciousness, I help lay the foundation for informed and sustainable decision making.